If you play on PrizePicks Underdog or better, you know how hard it is to find consistent winning plays. That's where DG Fantasy steps in, giving you the tools the pros use to gain an edge. DJ Fantasy is a research platform that scans sportsbook ads and compares them directly to DFS sites. Instead of guessing, you're playing with data. With a fantasy bundle, you get the DFS optimizer, which flags mispriced lines, the fantasy scores page that compares projections across books, and the middling tool, which helps you win on both sides of a prop when lines differ across sites. Or if you'd rather let the platform do the work, the AI slip generator builds high probability slips instantly. You can sort by profit margin, correlation, or sport, then one-click tails pick directly on PrizePicks or Underdog. Bottom line, DigiFantasy makes DFS betting smarter, faster, and more profitable. Click the link in my description to sign up today and start making data-driven plays instead of blind guesses.